Hello, good morning children. Welcome back to the English class. Today we are going to discuss about the new chapter second in the orchard. So before going to start the lesson, we focus about the starter kit. Work with your partner and name as many fruits as you can. So here in this box you see the picture of fruits. Okay, so first one is orange. So the name is mango, but the picture of the fruit is orange. Next the picture watermelon, and then pineapple, and then apple, and then mango, and then pear, and then plum. Okay, so these are the fruits and then name of the fruits. Then you can write the perfect name of the fruit in the above side of the fruit, above side of the picture. Next, from the lesson, apples and other fruits grow on plants and trees. Farmers grow these plants and trees in their orchards. An orchard is an area of land used for growing fruit trees. So children, in the orchard means, especially the meaning of orchard is the area of land particularly grown for fruits and nuts. So here we call orchard means the area of land particularly we grown for fruits. Okay, so in the opening of the lesson, fruits like apples and other fruits are grown on the trees. Okay, so the farmers were grown out the fruit plants and trees in the orchard, in the means in the particular area. So next, small poem is there. We go through the poem. Read and enjoy. Down in the orchard, it's harvest time. Up the tall ladders, the fruit pickers climb. Among green branches that sway overhead, apples are hanging all rosy and red, just ripe for picking, all juicy and sweet, pretty to look at and tasty to eat. So, in the first stanza, the poet saying it was a harvest time. So here harvest means time of the year when all crops or fruits are cutting and gathered. So the fruit pickers climbed the ladder for picking the fruit. Okay. So next, among green branches that sway overhead, apples are hanging all rosy and red. So in the next stanza, there was a plenty of apples. Children, there was a plenty of apples in a tree, and then among the green branches. Okay, all are sway on overhead means all are moving on the overhead. So all are hanging. Then all apples was red in color. Then it was looked very beautiful. Okay, it was red rose, it was look like red rose in a color. Okay, next, it was very taste also. So next, third para, just try for picking, all juicy and sweet, pretty to look at and tasty to eat. So in the second stanza, all fruits were ripe means matured. The fruits were become perfect to cutting. Okay, perfect to picking means gathered. So the apples were become very sweet. So when first the mango was green color, and then when it was ripe, it was turned to orange, slight yellow color. So it was a ripe fruit means matured fruit. So the apples were become very sweet, and then it looked like very pretty, very tasty to eat. So it was very looking pretty and then tasty to eat. So some children are like mango, some children are like apples, some are like grapes. So like that the fruits were very tasty. Next para, it is always a great pleasure to grow fruit trees, to pluck their ripe fruits and to eat them. But do you know it is only a seed case that you eat, not the whole fruit. So in the next para here, the author saying it was very great pleasure, means it was very happy to grow the fruit trees. So some people have very pleasure, we have mango tree, we have apple tree, we have grape plant, so like that. So here there is a great happiness to grow the trees and then to pluck the ripe fruits and then to eat them. So but only a seed case, means covering part of the fruit we will not eat. So we will not eat the covering part of the fruit, and also in the seed part of the fruit we will also not able to eat. So children, next the author asked what are fruits. So now what are fruit? So you eat the fruit and then you left the covering part of the fruit. In the mango also, and then in banana also, and in the papaya also you left the seed part. So that wise you not able to eat the whole fruit. So next, now what are fruits? So we will discuss what are the fruits in the next video. You have to read the lesson and the poem part in the page number 13 and 14. Okay, thank you children.